in Africa.
Welcome back to Eating the African Way with your host Nicholas. She's our guest. She's going to introduce herself and take us through the preparations of how our drink was prepared. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Thank you. Hello guys, thank you for staying along with Eating African Way. I'm Joan Obadia, also a Ugandan YouTuber. Thank you so much for keeping here.
Joan, can you take us through the process, how this drink was prepared, and also introduce our drink to the viewers?
Okay. This drink is called Bushera drink, and maybe you can call it sweet millet porridge, something like that, but too cold. We start the preparations by grinding the millet. Yeah. You can get where to prepare everything from. Sometimes, long time ago, our grandmothers, great parents used to have pots, but you can get a bucket, you can get a saucepan, you can get anything you can prepare your porridge from. And for us, we use the bucket. You see it there, and we get the flour, millet flour, water, cold. We first mix it. Then later, when I'm grinding, when he's grinding or she's grinding, there must be hot water, like water boiling, and it will be locally boiled, and the grinding will be made locally. So when you're grinding, the water is boiling on the other side.
So you mean when you're grinding, you have to put water on the fireplace,
yes,
so that it gets ready?
Yes. By the time you finish, everything is ready and set. Yes.
Joan, can you please tell us how far are we from Kampala?
It's about 273 kilometers to where we are right now. The place is called Kazo district. It was formerly Chiruhura, then formerly Great Mbara, but right now it is a district on its own. So it can take 4 to 5 hours to reach the place. Yeah, welcome to the land of milk and honey.
Are you ready? Yes, behind the camera is Eina Tio. Eina, can you please come and introduce yourself?
Hello, my good people. It's your international content creator, the Village Champions, and I'm here with my fellow villagers. Glad to be here, eating the African way.
Yes, can you please go back? Joan Obadia, is this drink allowed to any age group?
Yes, but maybe the children who are not supposed to eat, who are not ready for drinking and eating. But apart from that, from like a year and 100 plus, you can take the drink.
100 plus?
Yes.
What benefits do we get from Bushera?
There are very many benefits we get from Bushera, but most importantly to us women. Yeah. But when we are in the like gardens, you know, we take long to be in garden. We have weeding, harvesting, all that thing. It can help us to cool the thirsty. We get energy from the Bushera, most especially you men. Then for us women, it's very good for us, you know, women, in terms of marital, then it's also sweet for kids and for anyone. There are many benefits. Right now I can just remember all that.
3 questions remaining. Do you add sugar or the?
No, we don't add sugar. We use millet flour. Then there is some other flour. It's somehow sweet. We make it from millet. We get millet. We put it in a banana leaf. We put some water. Then we cover it for 2 to 4 days. Then it will grow as if it's growing in the garden. When it brings some yeast on it, then we put it on sun to dry. Then we grind it. Actually, you see me grinding it. It's what we add in our millet porridge that is ready.
Can you please tell us how long does it take to prepare the Bushera?
It can take 12 to 24 hours for our Bushera to get ready.
12 to 24 hours?
Yes.
Is there any quicker way you can do it?
The quicker way which is there, most people don't like it because you have to wake up early in the morning, prepare it so that you can take it in the evening time. Of which in the morning time they will be busy doing some other things or sleeping. So it's better you start doing the preparations around noon time so that you can leave it overnight. Then you can take it in the morning. That's the other way you can do it.
Some of us, we are always on morning glory.
Yes, that's why they choose to do it in the noon time so that it can stay overnight. Then they can take it in the morning. Yes.
Wow! I hope you have learned something out of this explanation, video, anything you can call it. And at this time, Eina Tio is going to be our chief tester. Eina, can you please come? We are done. Oh, we are not done. We are still testing, and our chief tester, she's going to give us the review.
Guys, I'm just wondering. I had she said they don't put sugar. I'm just amazed by how sweet it is. It really tastes like there is sugar.
Let me add my
I would really think it is a very healthy drink, because every time you limit the intake of sugar, you're doing something good to your health. So it just tastes amazing. I would also want to have some more.
You want manpower?
To have some more. And also you want to have some more, but I see Nicholas is adding it all up. It's really tasting amazing. I was afraid. I'm like, I can't take something without sugar. Of course, I don't take a lot of sugar. At least I was expecting a little sugar in here. The taste I'm getting, it really feels like they put sugar. So it's amazing. I would recommend anyone to use it at home. If you have children, if you stay long hours in the
mostly
garden.
ladies. She told us.
Why do you guys say mostly ladies?
No, everyone.
I've had, okay, for me personally, I've had people talk a lot that for if your body is dehydrated as a woman, you know what we're talking about. If your body is dehydrated as a woman, you need to hydrate up. And I'm told, he has said that it is good. So I've been taking it with one heart.
Expecting results.
Hey. But I'm not dehydrated.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, any last word to the viewers?
Please, I recommend this too because it has natural sugars. It's natural. Natural.
Gundi.
Hey.
And I've been to weddings, like in this side in the Western. Yes, they will bring the sodas, the beers and everything, but this one will also be a main drink.
Yes, and
even if they hold their reception like in huge hotels or Serena or what, the Bushera will always be there.
It will be the most taken.
Yes.
Okay, Enati, your last word to the viewers.
My last word is, I think it's always good when you just see things on Eating the African Way, probably things you've not yet tried it. This is a very easy recipe. You can always try them in your home and get to eat the African way in your very own home.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where I come from, in Buganda, central region of Uganda, we always say, ebiwoma bigwa byocha.
White man would say sweet words and hot.
Abanyankole bachigano bagira ebinuzire ne bugwa of course.
Can you do the end?
Oh, okay. So that's been us taking the Bushera drink, eating the African way. Catch us up next time, same channel, and let's get to eat the African way with Nicholas.
Baba.